Hey guys, first step is to make a white cross on the bottom layer. Turn it over. That's not turning. No, not turning. Like you can see, but it is not fixed in correct position. Now again. This. Now you can see the centers are aligned towards each other. For the first layer, you need just to do just as 3 by 3 cube, but I'll explain it again. Face towards the red bottom face. This is red, so see red. Yes, then use the right trigger. Then again this is bottom edge piece, blue edge piece. Let's use right trigger again. Find one at the top, orange with the orange edge piece. This use right trigger again, orange on bottom edge, left trigger. Now you can see our first layer is developed with the bottom face fully solved. So let's move towards the second layer. To change the position of this piece to this, you need to apply an algorithm. So just as follows. First you have to face it little forward like this, then apply right trigger and apply right trigger. Then again join the position of the bottom layer. This now you can see it is fixed and our green piece is thrown upwards. Again for this use your right trigger, this, then place it to the bottom, this and this. You can see it is bottom. Again for the blue, first turn it towards the opposite side of the blue face. As you can see it is a blue face opposite to it. Then apply the right trigger like this, then replace the position. As you can see this should be replaced by this, and apply the left trigger, this. Now it is fully solved. No, one piece is remaining, right? First opposite towards the red face, apply the right trigger, then replace the position of the bottom layer. Now you can see that both the layers of the 3 by 3 twisted cube is fully solved with the bottom face solved. Now the next step for the development is the solution of the third layer. The third layer is common, algorithms are common as the 3 by 3 cube. If you don't know how to solve this 3 by 3 normal cube, you can visit my previously uploaded videos. So if you don't know, I'll explain it again. For the line, in case you are having a line, use the algorithm which is written on the screen. First F, then it's not moving, it's stucking. U, then R, then U prime, then R prime, and then F prime. A fish on the top, then again apply the algorithm, this R prime U, R U, R prime U and U, and then now you obtain a yellow face on the top, full solved. Same, the white bottom face is also solved, second layer is solved. Now for the solution on the third layer, you just need to First find the two pieces, like two faces having the same corner pieces. Now I am not able to find this, so I have to apply the same algorithm, the L U R prime U prime L, this U and R. Now fish, same apply the algorithm, R prime U R R and U, then top R prime U and this. Now you are able to find the pieces, same colored pieces at the corners, then rotate to the majority side of the face, like this blue. I am rotating it towards the blue, so taking this face on the left, like this top on the left, apply the algorithm L U R and R, then this and this. Now obtained a fish. Now again R U this and this. Now you can see my green face is fully solved, having the, now you have to change the position of the edge pieces like this. Just first check if it is clockwise or anti-clockwise. For clockwise direction, apply the algorithm which is written here. For the anti-clockwise position, apply the algorithm which is written here. Now for this cube, first check this should be placed in this, this should be placed this here and here and here, so it is in anti-clockwise direction. So apply the algorithm F 2 times F U prime and L prime are 2 times F, 1 2, then L, then R prime, then U prime, like this, then 2 times F, 1 2. Now you can see the cube is fully solved except the piece. You have to alter the piece, or you have to change the position of the piece to opposite. So apply the algorithm facing towards the bottom face. Okay, facing towards bottom face. This. Apply at the end. Now you can see the fully cube solved. So for the development of the third layer, you need to memorize some algorithm which are written over here. So I hope that you like this video, and I also hope that you know how to solve the 3x3 twisted cube. So please like, share and comment. If you like this video, please click the like button. Thank you.